Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to unlock Netflix profile on an Android device. Okay, let's go to the tutorial. Since you have been locked your profile on Netflix account, and then you can unlock it by doing these steps. First, please open Chrome browser on your device. After that, please sign into your Netflix account. Okay, and then here you can click on three line. And then please select account option. After that, here please scroll down and select the profile you have been logged before. Okay, and then select profile lock option. After that, please enter your password account. And then click continue. Okay, after that, here you can uncheck the blue tick in this option. And then click save here. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to unlock Netflix profile on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get all the information from this channel. Thank you.